Gio, okay, let's go. Patag bread, Bob.
Let's go.
Hello, Gio. We are ARC.
Kita mo yung mga tao dun, men. Weird fuck. Ay, kabulon ako mag-ask the question. Then, wala pa sila nagtubag. Okay. Let's go, patag bread. Diri sa Aropehol, ano sa mong favorite stall?
Oh my God, right now.
Let's go. Gusto nyo ng kupal? Ilang yung Spanish, te? Isa ka egg. Yeah, that's what we do. Thank you, te. Oh, ganyan lang kalit. Okay. Thank you po. Si Carl, interviewin natin si Carl, bud. Kilala mo si Carl? Carlo Malcon. Carl, come here. Hello, sir. What's your name?
My name is...
So, among the stalls here, what are your favorite food? Okay. Thank you.
Hi guys, ako po si LK.
Among the stalls in Aropehol, what is your favorite stall and why?
My favorite.
Okay. Thank you. Ay, dito. Come here. Hello, ma'am. Can I have 5 minutes of your time? Hindi, ano lang, kakupalan lang. Among the entire characters, who is your favorite?
Bayot.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Hello, kids. Hello. Okay, let's go.
Ay, wala may ano nga shot nila.